Hey, I am Amanda here, and today we're going to unbox my Petit of Vour box for February, so let's go ahead and dig in. So per the card, we're getting 4 items this month. This is the card, just says ciao ciao baby. And let's see, the first thing on top is from Highborn. It's Palo Santo and Sandalwood de Fume, a smokeless blessing anointing oil, Petit Vour special edition. I feel like I've gotten this before. Let's read the description. Sandalwood's exotic earthy aroma brings a deep feeling of calm, while Palo Santo's purifying secret energy banishes negativity, blessing the entire blend. I'm fairly certain I have gotten this before. It's just like a little roller ball, I think. I've definitely gotten this before, yeah. Because I remember getting the little black stone. So this is disappointing, even though it's only a $4 value. I've gotten this item before. I'll use it, but this is not in the least bit exciting at all. This is, as far as the item goes, it's the type of item I wouldn't purchase. I use them because they come in these boxes, but I don't really seek out these kind of things. But I've gotten it before. The whole point of me getting this box is to get new things. So that's disappointing. Next item. Oh my god. It's the Pure Plum Antioxidant Oil. This is the Petit Vour branded product. And I've gotten this before too. Now granted, I do like this one. So I'm not like entirely mad about it. I think I'm halfway through my current bottle. But why am I getting repeats? This is 2 repeats in one box. That's like super inappropriate. This is a $36 value. And I have heard people say like they don't like getting the box's branded items. In the box is one of your items, which I totally get, but I will say they did put in the work on this product. There are no non-skincare potentially harmful ingredients in this. It's just a really nice oil. That's it. The description, like I was saying. A concentration of organic plum extracts to brighten, plump, and visibly restore skin full of antioxidants, omegas, and oleic acid. Pure Plum protects against radical damage and oxidative stress and aids in cellular repair, sebum production, and skin turnover. So while I will use this, and I do enjoy this product, it is another repeat. I'm 2 for 2 on repeats so far. That's really disappointing. The next item is a Goldfaden MD product, so I'm already not jazzed because I don't really like Goldfaden MD. I just don't think most of the products have ingredients I don't like to use, and the ones that don't, I don't think are very effective. But anyway, this is the Solution Fresh A Peel, multi-acid resurfacing peel. I want to say I've gotten this before. I'm not 100% sure. Goldfaden or one of the other companies that has very similar looking packaging. I feel like I've gotten a peel from them. So this is also very disappointing. Like, just super annoying. This box is a waste of my time up until this point because I already know how I like these products. So it's like nothing new to try here. Anyway, this is a $10 value. This refreshing lactic acid and multi-fruit enzyme exfoliating facial peel removes dead surface skin to reveal brighter, fresher, healthier looking skin. After cleansing skin, dispense a small amount of gel to your fingertips. Smooth over the entire face and neck. Leave 1 to 2 minutes depending on tolerance and rinse off with cool water. Yeah, I feel like I've tried this. If not, I've tried something very similar to this before. I'm just gonna give this away. This is something I don't even want to use. So there is one item left in this box. I haven't peeked to see what it is yet, but so far this kind of sucks. Sucks hard. Let's see what's next. I'm not even gonna look down. I'm just gonna grab it. Okay. Oh, what's a palette? This is the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Natural Matte Eyeshadow Palette. I have not gotten an eyeshadow palette from Bella Pierre, so that's kind of cool. Let's read about it and then we'll open it and look at the colors. This is a $25 value. a silky matte eyeshadow palette with 4 shades to highlight, shade, and define the eyes. Highly blendable with finely milled pigments. So, I will say, at least the 2 items I'm likely to use, unless these colors are crazy, are the most expensive ones. At least there's that. So let's go ahead. This isn't wrapped in plastic. I feel like Bella Pierre normally comes wrapped in plastic, but I'll ignore that. Okay. It does have the plastic sheet. It's got that big, really usable mirror. Good size mirror for traveling. Here are the colors. Let me see if it says the names on the back. Ivory, caramel, butterscotch, and truffle. My heat did just come on. Sorry if you can hear that in the background. I think these look really cool. I love the range of neutrals. And this is not black. It's not quite black. It's really dark brown. So you could use it as eyeliner even. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these. Okay, so here are the swatches. Ivory's probably gonna be a little hard to see because it's actually very dead on to my skin tone. But the other colors are really nice. I think these are gonna look great on the eyelid. This looks like a really nice travel palette as well, if you are totally fine with just doing neutral looks. And even if you took this palette and like one bright, like a single shadow or one glitter, I feel like that could get you through any occasion on a vacation, even if you do end up going out and partying. So I kind of love this. The color of the palette's a little bit funky, little banana nice cream looking, but otherwise I think it's really nice. They were silky soft and I am pretty pleased with that. Very excited to give those a try. Okay, so this is kind of a complicated box to give a grade to because 3 of these 4 products I have received before. That's highly disappointing. 2 of them I am excited about, so there's that. 3 of them will get used, with a whole product that I'm just gonna give away because I don't even like this brand. So it's hard to call this a passing grade because of the repeats. Companies are constantly coming out with new items. And even so, there's gotta be products from these various companies that they have never sent before. I know I've been subscribed for a decently long time, but there have to be things that I've never been sent before, right? Things are constantly being innovated, reinvented, invented, revamped. So that's disappointing. I don't know. Maybe because I will use some of these items, I'll just barely pass it. I'm gonna give it a D. Even though that's pretty exciting, it just feels like they're cleaning out inventory, if you know, kind of get what I mean. Like, kind of feel like some of the stuff was just thrown in to get it out of their warehouse. So don't love that. Hopefully they're not the next box to go under. I do think Kinder Beauty is donezo unless they get some sort of deal like with what happened with All True, where someone comes in and buys them up but then the reputation's already ruined. So I don't know. Guess we'll have to wait and see. But that is my opinion, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye!